Hi, I'm Dhairya and today I'm showing you how to make cream cheese at home which we will turn into the best mango cheesecake ever. The recipe is very easy and the cheesecake will turn out to be super creamy. So let's get started. We are starting by making the cream cheese. Take 1 liter milk and 200 ml fresh cream. We have to heat this gently on medium flame while stirring continuously. Turn off the flame right before it starts to boil and add the vinegar. Stir it gently and you'll notice that it has started to curdle. When it's properly separated, we will strain this into a muslin cloth. Tighten this up and let it sit like this for 15 minutes to drain out the excess water. Now we'll grind this and turn it into a smooth cream cheese. Add a pinch of salt to balance the flavor. Grind this into a smooth cream cheese. You can store this cream cheese in the fridge for up to 5 to 7 days. Now let's start with the cheesecake base. I'm using marigold biscuits. Crush them using a rolling pin or you can even grind it in a mixie. Tip number 1 to having the best cheesecake ever is to have the correct amount of butter in the biscuit base. If the butter in the base is less, the base will not set and end up breaking when you demold it and cut right into it. On the other hand, more butter will result in a very hard crust and you won't be able to cut it. Add melted butter to the crushed biscuits a little at a time. Mix it thoroughly. Now how do we figure out if the base has correct amount of butter? Take a small portion of the biscuit and press it well in your palm. As you can see that the mixture is crumbling apart, it means that we need more butter. Now let's do the test again. As you can see, now the biscuit is holding its shape. It means that the butter is enough. If your hand feels very greasy or oily after you do this, or you feel that the base has turned a little liquidy, it means that the butter is more than required. I'm using a 7-inch ring to make the cheesecake. You can even make it in a 6-inch ring or a spring foam pan or even in a glass dish. Add in the biscuit mixture and press it down well using the back of a glass. Make sure to cover all the sides properly. Now this goes in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. It's very important to set this crust in the fridge for a while to have neat layers in the cheesecake. Let's start with the cheesecake batter. Take cream cheese and add icing sugar. When you mix this, you'll notice that the mixture is becoming soft. Make sure there are no lumps of icing sugar left. Tip number 2 to having the best cheesecake ever is to always start with room temperature cream cheese because cold cream cheese is very hard and it might not get smooth, resulting in lumps in the cheesecake batter, and we obviously don't want that. Now I'm adding fresh mango puree to this, which I made by grinding mango pulp in the mixie. Beat this mixture on medium speed for 5 to 6 minutes until everything is smooth and well combined. Once done, set this aside and take chilled whipping cream in another bowl. Start beating this on low speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Now increase the speed to max and continue to beat until it gets stiff. Now let's mix in the cream cheese mixture. Only add half of it at a time. Beat this for 3 to 4 minutes and add the rest of the mixture and mix again. The cheesecake batter is now ready. We'll pour this in the ring. Always add a little at a time and make sure to evenly spread it till the edges before adding more. This is done to ensure that there are no air gaps. After adding in all the cheesecake batter, smoothen the top. Now this goes in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours until it becomes hard. Meanwhile, let's make mango compote to top this cheesecake. Now if you want, you can totally skip making this and decorate with just chopped mangoes because we have already added mango puree into the cheesecake batter. It's your cheesecake, decorate it any way you want. Take corn flour in a bowl and add water. Mix this to make a slurry. Grind mango pulp to make mango puree. Keep this puree on medium flame and add sugar. Cook this for 10 to 15 seconds while continuously mixing. Once it gets warm, add in the slurry. Now we'll bring this to a boil and turn off the flame as soon as you see bubbles on the top. Now I can see the bubbles and the mixture has already gotten thick, so turn the flame off. Let this completely cool down before adding it on top of the cheesecake. This is the same compote recipe bakeries use to layer their mango cakes with, and you can even use it to fill your cupcakes. Tip number 3 to a flawless cheesecake is correct demolding. Let's see how to do it. The cheesecake has been in the freezer for the past 6 hours. Now to demold this, take a cloth which has been dipped in hot water and make sure to squeeze out the excess water. Now run this hot cloth through the edges of the ring. Take a jug of hot water and dip your knife in it. Make sure to properly wipe it before inserting it into the ring. Keep dipping your knife in hot water. Keep repeating this process. Now let's decorate this and dig right into it. This is without a doubt one of the best cheesecakes I have ever had. I hope you are able to make amazing cheesecake after watching this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking and bye.